Somebody asked if I could cut a watermelon in half using molten glass, and I knew it wasn't going to work with the rind, so I ended up cutting the rind away and trying it again, which also didn't really work. So I ended up just pouring the glass on the watermelon itself, but because watermelons are 92% water, it ended up just sliding around on top. It did, however, leave a pretty cool mark in the watermelon, and because it didn't work, I ended up trying it, which was a bad idea.
Showing my kids my scary Halloween makeup.
Who is it? My makeup?
Yeah.
I'm a scary monster. Yes. No, no. Come here. Come here. Come here. All right, you're gonna show your sisters. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Ew, Flatty. You're flat.
Why does it tell me you're a man?
Yo, what's going on?
That's a thick ass, boy. Alright, yo, you gotta watch my dance moves now, bro. You gotta watch my dance moves.
You're kind of thick.
You ready?
All right.
Ready?
Let's see it.
You're trying to make me lose it.
Holy cow! What's up, bro?
Only an American would look a 10-foot man-eater, a dinosaur, in the eye and say, "Sup, bro?"
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes! I love these things. Let's see what the face looks like. He's actually good! It's perfect!
Yes or no?
No. Are you kidding me? Can I still keep it?
Yes or no?
Yes. What the heck is that? What's on Tina?
Yes or no?
Yes. No. No. There's no way.
I got these slides on. Oh, you think you won't get smoked in some slides? Ooh, hold on. Don't cheat me. What y'all talking about? Put my shit in goddamn me.
¿Así o qué? Sí, pero... ¿Pero qué?